The VFS Film Studio website, developed by DD Studio, is laconic in its design. This approach highlights the copious illustrative material which can be altered and expanded. The specific nature of a film studio makes high-level functionality essential. Information on films in production or completed must be constantly updated. Our priority is to develop a design which matches the nature of the information. This principle can be seen in various elements of the film studio's website. For example, when any of the pictures is enlarged, the visitor is surprised by the association with a film screen. The open picture appears against a black background. A search engine is also included, which makes it easier to find a certain film or TV program. There is also an interactive world map showing the locations the film crew has visited or is currently visiting.